The Federal Reserve just met on January 28, 2026, and once again, they did not cut interest rates. If you're buying, selling, or investing in real estate this year, this decision matters more than you think. And before you assume this is bad news, pause. Because this decision actually tells us exactly where the housing market is heading next. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to do so. That will help the channel grow. I really appreciate it. So why did the Federal Reserve hold rates steady on January 28, 2026? It comes down to three core reasons, and none of them are random. While inflation has cooled compared to previous years, it hasn't fallen far enough or consistently enough for the Fed to declare victory. The Fed's biggest fear right now, cutting rates too early and watching inflation spike all over again. In other words, they'd rather be late than wrong. Here's the part most people miss. The Federal Reserve cuts rates when the economy is breaking, and right now it isn't. Employment remains resilient, consumer spending hasn't fallen off a cliff, and as long as the economy keeps moving, the Fed has no urgency to stimulate it with lower rates. Translation for real estate: higher rates are slowing the market but not crashing it. The Fed wants balance, not chaos. The Fed doesn't react to one good report, they wait for a trend. They want multiple months of data showing inflation falling, wage growth cooling, and housing stabilizing before they move. So the real question isn't why rates weren't cut, it's when they finally will be. For buyers, waiting for the perfect rate could mean paying a higher price later. For sellers, this keeps inventory tight and competition real. And for investors, this environment rewards people who understand the cycle, not fear it. The Federal Reserve didn't cut rates on January 28, 2026 because they're playing the long game. Follow for real estate insights that actually make you money. What's your take on the decision to hold interest rates steady? Make sure you leave a comment down below. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to do so. That will help the channel grow. I really appreciate it. Why waiting could cost you more.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.